Hi ATD San Diego, it's Bridget, and I just want to say welcome to fall. I hope you're enjoying the cooler nights and mornings like I am. I just want to take a moment to talk about this phrase that we're hearing about quite often these days, the Great Resignation. Perhaps this has impacted some of you. Many people are reconsidering their workplace and how they want to spend their work days. But for many, this requires upskilling or reskilling. Even employers are looking for ways to reskill and upskill their employees. If this applies to you, you may want to consider some of the amazing opportunities that we have for you to partner with us with your ATD San Diego chapter. Recently, I was looking on LinkedIn and saw a posting for a Learning and Development Manager role. And a few of the things they mentioned are definitely things that you can do and learn with us as a volunteer with our chapter. I'm going to call out just a couple of things that I saw that caught my eye. They were looking for a candidate familiar with data analytics, someone who's familiar with online technologies and websites, someone who's able to take an idea from conception to reality, someone with the skills to be able to host online events, someone who's able to create evaluations to plan for future improvements to programs. So if you're interested in partnering with us, we would love to have your support. We have a Google form that you can fill out very easily, and receiving that information is the best way for us to partner you with one of our projects. We would love your help, so please take a look. We've got so many great things happening, and since July, we've been hosting in-person professional mixers. I've been fortunate enough to be able to attend each of those mixers, and they're really a highlight for me month over month. It's just great to be in touch and see you guys in person. And I can tell you, in most of my conversations that I've had, participants have told me how much they've really enjoyed being together, being able to network and just be in person. So if you're able to, our upcoming mixer this month is going to be outside at Queenstown Bistro in University Town Center. It starts at 5:30, and we hope to see you there. At noon on the first Wednesday of every month, we host a Discover the Benefits of Membership. This is a great place for you just to check in quickly and learn about all of the benefits of being a member of ATD San Diego. Our upcoming chapter meeting is about future-proofing and looking at all of the details that go with that, so be sure and check that out. And we also have our ongoing workshop on Articulate Storyline that John Morley's hosting. If any of these events fit with your calendar, please join us. We would love to be in touch with you. If you're enjoying these videos, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope that you're part of our LinkedIn group and follow us on Twitter. I hope that you're staying safe and doing well, and I hope to see you soon. I wish you all my best.